and welcome to another instrument choice support video. Here we have put together a short video demonstration on how to replace the probe on the IC-PC60. Why replace the probe? They should be replaced every 6 to 24 months depending on use. If you're experiencing unstable or slow readings, having difficulty calibrating, or have physically damaged the probe, then it may be time to replace it. Luckily, it's a very simple task. First, remove the cap, then twist off and remove the blue probe ring. Gently pull to unplug the probe. Plug the new probe into place. Pay attention to the probe's position. Use the tracks as a guide. Secure the ring back into place and replace the probe cap. Soak the new probe in some soaking solution for about 15 minutes before use. Like we said, simple. We hope that you found this video helpful. Click the device's icon to take you to the product page. Click to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new videos weekly, or follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.